In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade less than $1 and get profit in Binance or KuCoin cryptocurrency. This technique is perfect for those just stepping into the world of cryptocurrency trading without wanting to risk significant capital. So let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most of this exciting market with just a tiny investment. First, you'll want to open up your Binance app. For those of you using KuCoin, the process is quite similar, as these platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and are among the most popular for trading cryptocurrency. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, it's available for both Android and iOS, and setting up an account is straightforward. Just make sure you complete the necessary verifications for security purposes. Once you have the app open, the next step is to deposit a small amount of money. You can even start with under $1 in USDT or any other cryptocurrency you prefer. This amount may seem small, but it's sufficient to begin practicing and testing out different trading strategies without feeling any financial stress. It's important to remember that cryptocurrency trading involves risks, so starting small is a wise approach for beginners. With your funds ready, navigate over to the spot market. It's crucial to choose the spot market instead of the futures market, especially if you're aiming for less risk. The spot market is where you can purchase coins for immediate delivery, as opposed to futures, which involves predicting future prices and comes with its own set of complexities and risks. Now, let's focus on choosing the right tokens. Here, you would want to look at low price tokens, which include options like SHIB, Pepe, or others with similar characteristics. These tokens are affordable and often exhibit slight fluctuations in price, which can be advantageous in our strategy. Next, set a limit buy order at a lower price than the current market price. This way, you'll purchase the token when its price drops to your desired level. Once you've secured the tokens, place a limit sell order at a slightly higher price. This means you'll sell the tokens once the market price reaches your preset target, allowing you to realize a small profit. After setting your buy and sell orders, patience becomes your best ally. You'll need to wait for these small price moves to occur, enabling you to earn a few cents of profit. Don't be discouraged by the modest gains at this stage. Remember, this is a low risk strategy, particularly suited to newcomers. Finally, repeat the process. As you grow more familiar with the market's behavior, you can start focusing on high volume tokens, which often experience small yet frequent fluctuations. By diligently repeating these steps, you stand to maximize your understanding of market dynamics and gradually hone your trading skills. This wraps up today's video on how to start trading cryptocurrency with as little as $1. I hope you found this guide both informative and empowering, providing you with a practical way to dip your toes into the crypto world responsibly. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.